everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video, I would like to share you a tutorial on how to change phone themes on Redmi Note 14. Alright guys, so yeah, if you feel bored with your cell phone theme, don't need to be worried because the Redmi Note 14 cell phone provides a lot of themes that you can choose from the paid to the free one. And how to change the theme on your phone is quite easy. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that you have to do is now you can go to settings menu on your phone like this. And then now you can scroll down and go to wallpaper and personalization. And so yeah, here's the theme that you can choose. And for example, I will choose about this one, and then now you can click download and wait for a while and click apply, and the new themes will apply to your phone like this. So yeah, it's easy, right? And okay guys, here's the tutorial on how to change themes on your phone. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video. Bye bye.